Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's video, looking for the latest must-have kitchen gadgets to upgrade your cooking game? In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets you need in your life right now. From time-saving tools to innovative appliances, these gadgets will make meal prep easier, faster, and more fun. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love experimenting in the kitchen, these picks are perfect for any cooking enthusiast. Watch till the end to see which gadget takes the top spot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing kitchen finds. Then guys, let's start the video.
Salad Spinner, the OXO Good Grips. Large salad spinner makes washing and drying salad greens quick and effortless. Its innovative pump mechanism allows for easy one-handed operation, spinning your greens dry with just a few presses. The clear, BPA-free bowl doubles as a serving dish, while the basket can be used as a colander for rinsing vegetables. A non-slip base ensures stability during use, preventing the spinner from sliding on countertops. The built-in brake button stops the spinning instantly, giving you full control. With a large 6.22 quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing family-sized salads. Easy to disassemble and dishwasher safe, cleanup is a breeze. Designed for convenience and efficiency, the OXO Salad Spinner is a must-have tool for anyone who loves fresh, crisp salads.
Tumbler Flip Straw Lid. This 40-oz tumbler with a flip straw lid is designed for maximum convenience and hydration. Crafted from high-quality, durable stainless steel, it keeps your drinks cold for hours or hot for an entire day. The flip straw lid makes sipping on the go easy and spill-proof, perfect for workouts, road trips, or daily commutes. Its large capacity ensures you stay hydrated all day without frequent refills. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand or car cup holder. The tumbler is easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and BPA-free. Whether it's iced coffee or water, this tumbler is a reliable companion for your hydration needs. Stay refreshed anytime, anywhere.
Espresso machine. The Gadget Academia luxury Italian fully automatic espresso machine brings cafe-quality coffee into your home with effortless precision. Designed for coffee enthusiasts, this machine offers a fully customizable experience, allowing you to adjust grind settings, coffee strength, and milk frothing for the perfect cup every time. Its sleek Italian design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while the intuitive touchscreen makes operations simple. With its dual boilers, you can brew espresso and steam milk simultaneously, ensuring fast and efficient preparation. The machine's automatic milk frother creates barista-quality foam, ideal for cappuccinos and lattes. A removable brewing unit and self-cleaning function make maintenance easy, keeping your machine in top condition. Whether you prefer a rich espresso or a creamy latte, the Gadget Academia delivers luxury and convenience with every cup.
Chicken Shredder. The Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, a large 10s Pro meat shredder, is designed to make shredding chicken breasts and other meats quick and effortless. Its unique twist-action design shreds meat evenly in seconds, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Made from durable, food-grade materials, it's safe to use and easy to clean. Whether you're preparing pulled chicken for tacos, sandwiches, or salads, this tool ensures consistent results with minimal mess. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip for easy twisting, and the large size allows you to shred bigger portions in one go. Ideal for home cooks or BBQ enthusiasts, it's a must-have for efficient meal prep.
Air fryer. The Ninja Crispy Air Fryer and Microwave is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines air frying and microwaving in one compact unit. Its powerful air fry technology delivers crispy, golden results without the excess oil, perfect for healthier cooking. The microwave function offers quick and even heating, making it ideal for reheating leftovers or cooking meals in minutes. With multiple cooking modes, you can roast, bake, and even dehydrate food with ease. The sleek design fits well on any countertop, and the intuitive controls make operations simple. Its large capacity is perfect for families, and the non-stick interior ensures easy cleaning. Whether you're craving crispy fries or a fast reheated meal, this Ninja appliance delivers convenience and quality every time.